In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Cashplus branches and ATMs near you with an easy step-by-step guide. Cashplus, which is now known as Zempler Bank, doesn't operate physical branches. Instead, it partners with the UK Post Office, allowing you to deposit and withdraw cash at any post office location. This makes it essential to know how to locate the nearest post office that's part of this network. Let's get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official UK Post Office website. It's the central hub for all things related to post office services and will be the online tool we use today. Once you're on the home page, look for the link or button that says Find a Branch. You'll typically find this feature quite prominently displayed, given the importance of accessibility for various postal and banking needs. After you click on Find a Branch, you'll be directed to a search tool. Here, you can enter specific details such as your postcode, town, or even the street name. Typing in these specifics will help narrow down your search to more relevant results. Once you've entered the information, be sure to pick the right location from the list of options that may appear. Picking accurately can save you a lot of time and effort. Next, let's proceed to the search itself. You'll see a magnifying glass icon, which is commonly accepted as the universal symbol for search. Clicking it will process your request and bring forward a list of branches near your specified location. Now, as we scroll down a little, you'll notice the branches start to populate on the left side of your screen. Each listing offers various details and they are interactive, so feel free to click on one to get comprehensive information about that particular branch. You might find details like opening hours or specific services offered, which can be quite handy if you're planning for a visit. Additionally, the search results will be complemented by a map feature. This map allows for a geographical view and uses red pins to mark each location. Clicking on these pins can help visualize directions or distance, which might influence your decision on which branch to visit. If you want to know more about a specific branch, select Branch Details. This action takes you to a new page filled with further details such as the exact address and geographical identifiers. You'll also notice an option to get directions. By clicking this, a new Google Maps page will open, giving you precise directions via car, public transit, or on foot. Lastly, make sure to explore further by scrolling down. Besides the standard address, you'll see a section showing opening times and the range of services available at that branch. Keep an eye out for alternative branches as well if the initial options don't offer the services you require. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to finding Cashplus partner branches through the UK Post Office. I hope this tutorial has been informative and that you feel empowered to find the locations you need. Thanks for watching.